Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. An increase in gasoline prices will see motorists paying more at the pumps effective tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by $1.79 per litre to sell for $121.14 and $123.98 respectively. Automotive diesel oil and low sulfur diesel oil will also be increased by $1.14 per litre to sell for $119.72 and $124.69 per litre respectively. Now, kerosene goes up by $1.17 per litre to sell for $102.59 per litre. LPG propane has been increased by 62 cents to cost $47.18 per litre. However, LPG butane will see an increase of a much larger margin of $3.15. Oil prices fell today as government data showed U.S. crude inventories climbed more than expected. The market was also pressured by a stronger U.S. dollar on Wednesday, which made the dollar-priced oil less attractive for holders of other currencies. The West Texas Intermediate for April delivery decreased by U.S. $1.37 to settle at $61.64 a barrel. That's on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $128.15. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.52. The pound sterling costs $177.28, while the euro is going for $156.61. Now, in today's trading session, the JSE index advanced by 1,052 points to close at over 292,000 points. The junior market index advanced by 29 points to close at 2,925. Blue Power led the winners, followed by T-Tech, Salada Foods, Sagicor Real Estate X, Caribbean Cream, and Elite Diagnostics. Now, the losers were led by JMMB Group, 7.5% shares, Kingston Wharves, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica, AMG Packaging and Paper, Cargo Handlers, and Cable and Wireless. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.